Welcome to Little But Learners. Welcome to Little But Learners.
Duck-Nose Daring Adventure Story for Kids. Once upon a time, in a prehistoric land filled with towering trees and bubbling rivers, there lived a young dinosaur named Dino. Dino was a curious little creature with bright green scales and a playful spirit. One sunny morning, as Dino was exploring near the edge of the Great Canyon, he spotted something glittering in the distance. Curiosity piqued, Dino bounded forward to investigate. And to his amazement, he discovered a shiny, rainbow-colored egg nestled among the rocks. "It must be a dinosaur egg," Dino exclaimed, his eyes wide with wonder. But just as he reached out to touch it, a voice boomed from above. "Halt! That egg belongs to the great dragon of the canyon." Dino looked up to see a majestic pterodactyl soaring high above him, its wings stretched wide. "Sorry, I didn't know," Dino stammered, taking a step back. The pterodactyl landed gracefully beside him, eyeing Dino with a mixture of curiosity and amusement. "You are lucky, little one," the pterodactyl said, "but if you want to prove yourself worthy of such a treasure, you must embark on a daring adventure." Dino's heart raced with excitement. "I'm ready. What do I have to do?" The pterodactyl smiled. "You must journey to the top of the great mountain and retrieve a rare flower that blooms only once a century. Bring it back to me, and the egg shall be yours." Without hesitation, Dino set off on his quest, his tiny legs carrying him up the rugged path of the great mountain. Along the way, he encountered all sorts of challenges: a raging river, a dark cave filled with mysterious creatures, and a steep cliff that seemed impossible to climb. But Dino pressed on, fueled by determination and the thought of the shiny egg waiting for him at the end of his journey. Finally, after days of perilous travels, Dino reached the summit of the great mountain, and there, nestled among the rocks, was the rare flower he had been seeking, a beautiful blossom with petals as bright as the sun. With trembling claws, Dino carefully plucked the flower and held it aloft, a triumphant grin spreading across his face. "I did it!" he exclaimed, his heart soaring with pride. As Dino made his way back down the mountain, he couldn't wait to show the pterodactyl the precious flower he had retrieved. But when he returned to the canyon, he found the pterodactyl standing over the rainbow-colored egg, a look of concern on its face. "What happened?" Dino asked, his heart sinking. "The egg is hatching," the pterodactyl replied, gesturing to the cracks forming along the surface. With bated breath, Dino watched as the egg began to crack open, revealing a tiny, trembling creature inside, a baby dragon. As the baby dragon emerged from its shell, it let out a joyful cry, its scales shimmering in the sunlight. Dino's eyes widened with awe. "It's beautiful." The pterodactyl nodded, a smile playing at the corners of its beak. "Indeed it is, and now it is yours to care for and protect." Dino's heart swelled with happiness as he cradled the baby dragon in his arms, feeling a sense of pride and responsibility unlike anything he had ever known. And as he looked out over the canyon, with the sun setting in the distance and the baby dragon snuggled close to his chest, Dino knew that his daring adventure had brought him not only a shiny egg, but also a lifelong friend. And so, with the rainbow-colored egg safe and sound, and a new companion by his side, Dino returned home, his heart full of joy and wonder. In this story, kids learn about bravery, friendship, and the rewards of going on daring adventures. Through Dino's journey, they discover the importance of facing challenges head-on and the joy that comes from helping others and making new friends.